Number 1. 1996 Ford F150, price $7,500. It has 148,000 miles on it and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a red exterior with a gray interior, giving it a classic and rugged look. The truck is powered by a 5.0L engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it includes a Dana 44 front axle with manual locking hubs, offering solid off-road capability and reliability. It has new tires all around, along with new front pads, rotors, and bearings, ensuring smooth and dependable performance on the road. Inside, the air conditioning blows ice cold, while the heater provides strong, hot air, making it comfortable in any season. All systems and components are reported to be in working order. Although it shows some signs of rust, the truck remains a strong, functional, and well-maintained example of Ford's durable 1990s workhorses. Number 2. 1994 GMC 1500, price $9,500. This truck has 218,000 miles on it and features an automatic transmission paired with a reliable Vortec V6 engine. The truck comes in a clean green exterior with a gray interior, running on gasoline. It's equipped with air conditioning that functions but doesn't blow very cold, along with crank windows and manual door locks. The windows are tinted, adding a touch of privacy and sun protection. The bed has been treated with a durable Raptor bedliner and includes a rubber bed mat for added protection. The battery is less than 2 years old, and there's absolutely no rust, making this truck exceptionally clean for its age. All front steering and suspension components have been fully rebuilt, ensuring smooth handling and reliability. It also rides on new tires with new rear shocks, enhancing both comfort and performance. Number 3. 1993 Chevrolet S10, price $6,899. The truck comes in a bold red exterior with a clean gray interior, running on gasoline. It's a 2WD model that has received numerous new parts, making it an appealing option whether you want to keep it stock for a dependable daily driver or take advantage of the included LS1 engine with 862 heads for a future swap project. Under the hood, it retains its 2.8L V6 engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, both of which remain strong and reliable. The truck sits on a 4.3 Beltec drop setup complemented by Moog steering components, giving it an improved stance and handling. It rides on 17-inch American racing wheels paired with Bendix brakes for solid stopping power. Additional features include a 2-inch cowl hood, roll pan, and a fully refreshed interior with new carpet, reupholstered seats, a new headliner, and a Pioneer Bluetooth head unit. The lighting has been upgraded throughout with LEDs inside and out, adding a modern touch to this classic compact pickup. Number 4. 1999 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,500. It features a 4.8-liter V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and 2WD drivetrain, delivering smooth performance and dependable power. With 202,000 miles on the odometer, the truck has been carefully looked after and remains in excellent running condition. The exterior sports a clean silver finish complemented by a black interior, while the cabin offers bucket seats with a full center console, power windows, power locks, and cruise control for added comfort and convenience. A new headliner and rear sliding glass enhance both the look and functionality of the interior. Recent upgrades include a new front end and steering components, new shocks, and newer paint, ensuring a refreshed driving experience. The truck sits on stylish 20-inch wheels, giving it a confident stance on the road. Number 5. 1985 Chevrolet C10, price $10,000. It features a 305 V8 engine, automatic transmission, and a matching blue exterior and interior, powered by gasoline. The truck includes an Edelbrock 4-barrel carburetor and working air conditioning that just needs recharging. The body is solid, with some paint fading on the hood and roof and minor rust on the passenger side between the rocker panel and cab corner. It has good tires and recently received new front brakes, rotors, calipers, and brake lines. A tune-up and valve seal replacement would further improve performance. Barn-kept and owned by its third caretaker, the C10 runs well and remains a reliable classic driver with great vintage appeal. Number 6. 2000 Dodge Ram 2500, price $9,999. With 276,000 miles on the odometer, this truck features a 5.9L Cummins turbo diesel engine, paired with a smooth-shifting automatic transmission that performs exceptionally well, finished in a striking red exterior with a gray interior. This 4x4 crew cab long box pickup originally came from Arizona and has never been exposed to Michigan weather, ensuring that the body, frame, and undercarriage remain completely rust-free. Both the Carfax and title are clean, confirming no accidents and a history of proper maintenance. Mechanically, the truck runs strong with no blow-by and no warning lights present on the dashboard. The air conditioning is functional and cool, though not ice cold. Cosmetically, the truck would benefit from a fresh coat of secondary black paint to enhance its sharp appearance, and both the dashboard and glove box would need replacement to bring the interior back to top condition. Number 7. 1997 GMC Sonoma, price $6,900. It has approximately 160,000 miles on the odometer and comes equipped with a 5-speed manual transmission, offering a more connected and engaging driving experience. Finished in a deep burgundy exterior with a black interior, the truck presents a clean, classic appearance that still turns heads today. It runs on gasoline and is powered by a 5.7L V8 engine, giving it impressive performance and a strong, throaty sound that reflects its power. The engine swap was done properly and professionally, ensuring smooth operation and reliable performance for years to come. This Sonoma is fun to drive, responsive, and surprisingly quick, making it ideal for enthusiasts who appreciate a hands-on driving experience. Despite its age, it drives well, handles confidently, and delivers a balance of strength, character, and vintage appeal that's hard to find. Number 8. 1988 Ford F350, price $6,500, powered by a strong 460 gasoline engine. It features a recent oil change and tune-up, ensuring it runs and drives smoothly. The truck is equipped with a 3-speed automatic transmission that shifts well, and it rides on a new set of Kenda tires with only a few hundred miles on them, providing excellent traction and stability. Originally acquired as a project, the current owner has decided to part with it due to having too many vehicles. Inside, the truck has a new carpet and headliner, though the front seats show some wear and are torn. Overall, this F350 stands out as a solid and dependable classic heavy-duty truck that combines power, utility, and character. Number 9. 1999 Dodge Dakota, price $3,500. It has 159,000 miles on the odometer and comes equipped with a 5-speed manual transmission. It features a blue exterior paired with a gray interior, giving it a clean and classic look. Under the hood, it's powered by a 5.2L V8 engine, known for its durability and strong performance. The truck runs, drives, and stops well, showing it's still in good operating condition. Several new parts have been installed within the last 200 miles, including a new steering rack, front brake calipers, rotors, and pads, as well as a serpentine belt and water pump. During the water pump installation, the coolant system was also flushed to ensure optimal cooling performance. Additionally, a milling oil pump and Felpro oil pan gasket were recently fitted, along with a fresh oil change and Wix filter. A new gas tank strap has also been added for extra reliability. Number 10. 1988 Ford F250, price $5,000, well-preserved classic truck that has traveled only 85,000 miles since new. It features a 5.0-liter gasoline engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, offering a pure and engaging driving experience. The truck is rear-wheel drive, 2WD, and remains all original, showcasing its authenticity and solid build quality. Finished in a striking green exterior with a tan interior, this F250 reflects the rugged yet timeless appeal of late 80s Ford trucks. Its clean condition, low mileage, and originality make it an appealing choice for enthusiasts seeking a dependable workhorse or a collectible vintage pickup.